Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group, powered by eXp, and today we're at our latest listing in Surprise, Arizona. We are in Surprise, Arizona at 13928 North 148th Lane. Before heading inside the home, let's go take a look at the location. All right, we are walking distance from the house. In fact, it's right behind the cameraman. There's a nice little open grass area over here. So if you want to have gatherings like, I don't know, around Thanksgiving when you're deciding which family members are best at football, this would be perfect for that. Also behind me is the community pool. So if you want to do larger gatherings and the phenomenal pool at the house just doesn't meet your needs, you got a community pool right over here. Now let's talk about what else is in the area. Within 1.7 miles of the house is a Bashas and a Costco, a Jack in the Box, a Whataburger, a Black Rock Coffee, as well as a Starbucks. So everything is conveniently located close to the home. All right, we're back at the house. Let's go over the specs on this one. It's 1,495 square feet. It is a 2-story with a 2-car garage sitting on a corner lot. Now recently the exterior of the home was repainted, and also just in the past week it had a brand new roof put on it. It also has solar to cut down on your electrical bills. Let's go take a look at the inside. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, sitting on 2 stories. The downstairs consists of a kitchen, living room, dining area, a half bath, as well as a full bedroom. Upstairs, we have the loft area, 2 more bedrooms, including the master, and 2 more bathrooms. We are out in the backyard Oasis, and I'm going to break this down into 2 sections. First is a kitchen area out here. It has this beautiful bullet barbecue and this kitchen bar area overlooking the pool. We've already got the drinks set up to go. It's time to party. All right, we're at the next section of the backyard. This area, you have the pool, the spa, as well as a sitting area. And behind the cameraman is yet another sitting area. So plenty of places to hang out back here. You want to take a dip, want to hop into the spa, or want to just hang out with your friends, enjoy your afternoon cocktails, it's all ready to go. If you would like to schedule a showing on this property, I make it super simple. You can call me at 602-763-8106 or go to my website, gosoldrealty.com. Until next time, bye.